Hey guys, how's it going? How to remove fake political ads. So to determine where the fake ad is being displayed, social media, website, etc. And then use the platform's reporting tools to flag the ad as misleading or false. Look for the options like report ad or report inappropriate content. And when reporting, include details about why the ad is fake, such as misinformation, manipulation, or false claims. Share information about the fake ad with your network to raise awareness and help others avoid misinformation. And contact fact-checking organizations or local news outlets that monitor political ads and misinformation. If necessary, report the ad to relevant electoral authorities or regulatory agencies that oversee campaign advertising. And by taking these actions, you can help combat the spread of fake political ads. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and